Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Tuesday, 26th of July 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE, starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 203.19 and with VAT is 213.39. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 186.53 and with VAT is 195.86. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 177.79 and with VAT is 186.68. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 152.39 and with VAT is 160.01. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 118.87 and with VAT is 124.81. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 84.73 and with VAT is 88.97. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 50.80 and with VAT is 53.34. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in UAE is 5%. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this video with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.